Hello, this is William from Visual Components. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create walls for factories, offices, and buildings using our facilities libraries. To get started, go to the ECAT tab, expand Web Catalog by type, and either select Factory Facilities or Interior Facilities depending on the size of your project. In either case, you can use the search box or you can just scroll to find a component called Wall Builder, which is this component here. So I'll drag that into the 3D world. And to use the wall builder, you need to turn on the interact command. So in the function toolbar, I'll click interact here. And now if I want to rotate the wall, I can use this blue arrow here, rotate it back and forth. If I want to change the dimensions of the wall, I can use the green arrow, so I can make the wall longer as well as taller. And notice I get feedback of the wall's dimensions here, so I know the wall's length and its height. If I want to add wall segments going in a particular direction, I can use these blue arrows here. So I can click the blue arrow here to add a wall segment going in that direction. And I can create more walls going in this direction and back this way. Now if you want to auto-generate wall space, you can click this blue oval here. And then you can now click a point in the 3D world to auto-generate walls to that location. So in this case, I'll just click the face of this wall segment here. And now the walls are conjoined. So now we created some walls, but there's no way for anybody to get inside these walls unless they have special powers. So each wall segment has its own set of properties. So I have this wall segment selected. I'll go to the Param tab and look for this property here called wall type. So by default the wall types are set to windows, so you're seeing windows. But I can change the wall to be plain, so there's no doors, no windows. Or I can change its wall type to be doored. So now we see a door here. And if I zoom in just a bit closer, you can see this line here indicates that the door opens inward. Now another thing to notice here is that the walls have their own set of interfaces, so you can plug and place them as well as other components. So if I actually turn on the PMP command here and drag this wall segment away from the wall structure I set up, notice I can now start using the wall builder again, and I get its list of dimensions here. So if you wanted to turn this notification off, you can notice here in the Param tab there's show hide dimensions, so I can show it or hide it. And I can also do this for all of the wall segments in my layout. So I can just click here, it's gone, and now I can see all of them in the 3D world. So let's actually turn this off, and we'll just plug and play the wall segment back to the other walls. Now if you wanted to change up your wall just a bit, you can go to the Param tab and notice you have options here to show arrows. So you can see the green arrows again. Just make sure you turn on the interact command, and you can make the wall bigger, like so. And you can also show all the arrows. So I'll just toggle this on. And now we can see all of the wall arrow spaces. So we can just have some big walls like that and make an interesting architectural phenomena in our 3D world. Alright, well that concludes the video. If you have any more questions, please feel free to visit our community at community.visualcomponents.net and have a wonderful day.